Assalamu alaikum learners, how are you? I am Tahira from FW Model School. This is my 7th lecture for class 6 subject math topic test of divisibility. In this video, we are going to learn some tricks to quickly check whether any number is divisible by these given numbers or not. Let us take some example. First of all, we have a number 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the number ends in 2, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. For example, here we have some examples of these numbers. First of all, we have a number 24 and we know that number 24 is end on 4. So we can say that 24 is divisible by 2. Next we have a number 872 and 872 end on number 2. So we can say that 872 is also divisible by 2. Next we check number 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the number ends in 0 and 5. In this example, the last digit is 5. First, here we have some examples. First of all, we have a number 25. Next, we have a number 500. Next, we have a number 1085. In these number, if we check, these number are ends on number 5 and 0. So we can say that all these numbers are divisible by 5. Next, we check a number is divisible by 10 if the number ends in 0. For example, first of all, we have a number 30. Next, we have 500. Next, we have a number 18,000. All these numbers are ends on 0. So we can say that all these numbers are divisible by 10. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. In this example, for example, here we have some numbers 15, 30, 456, 1035, 135. In this example, first we find the sum of all these digits. Then we check if their sum is divisible by 3, then we can say that these numbers are divisible by 3. Next we discuss a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. For example, here we have number 18 and we know that number 18 is divisible by 2. Next we have a number 45 and 45 is also divisible by 9. Next we have a number 261. In this example we have 3 digits and we cannot quickly divide these digits. For this purpose, first of all we add these number 2 plus 6 plus 1. We add these number. If their sum is divisible by 9, then we can say that 261 is divisible by 9. For example, 261, if we add 2 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So we can say that 261 is divisible by 9. Next we have a number 3069. First of all, we add 3 plus 0 plus 6 plus 9. And we know that 3 plus 6 plus 9. 3 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 18. 18 is also divisible by 9. So we can say that 3069 is also divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. In these examples, we check the last 2 digits. For example, first of all, we have a number 312. If we check last 2 digits, that is 12, and we can say that 12 is divisible by 4. So this number is also divisible by 4. Next, we have a number 504. 4 is also divisible by 4. So we can say that this number is divisible by 4. Next one, 948. 48 is also, in this example, we check last 2 digits. Last 2 digits are 48. 48 is divisible by 4. So we can say that this number is also divisible by 4 and so on. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. In this example, here we have some examples 596, 2030 to 12,328. In this example, we check last 3 digits. If last 3 digits are divisible by 8, so these numbers are divisible by 8. For example, first of all, we have a number 596. 596 is divisible by 9. So we can say that this number is divisible by 9. Next we check 2032. 32 is also divisible by 8. So we can say that 2032 is divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. For example, first of all, we have a number 102, 102. In this number, the last digit is 2. So we can say that 102 is divisible by 2 and is also divisible by 6. Next, we have a number 396. So 396 is divisible by 2. So we can say that this number is also divisible by 3 and 6 and so on. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between the last digit and the remaining digits is either 0 or is divisible by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between the last digit and the remaining digit is either 0 or is divisible by 7. For example, here we have some examples of these numbers. Next, we discuss a number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the odd placed digit and the sum of the even placed digits is 0 or divisible by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the odd placed digits and the sum of the even placed digit is 0 or divisible by 11. For example, first of all, we have a number 693. 693, and if we add these numbers, first of all we add the odd places. That is 6 and 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. And the sum of the even place, if we check the even place, its number is 9. And sum of these numbers is equal to 0. In example, first of all, 693. In this example, first we add 6 and 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Then we check their difference is equal to 0. So we can say that 693 is divisible by 11 and so on. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.